Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Now guys, I don't own very much Polkadot at all, but guys, I definitely love what they're doing over there, and I've definitely realized that, Polkadot really doesn't get very much coverage whatsoever. So guys, today we're actually going to talk about some of the absolute best projects that have kind of been built on Polkadot already so far. So guys, without wasting any time, we're just going to dive right into this video, okay? Now this isn't going to be a very long video. I'm not going to dive really deep into these projects. I'm just going to kind of give a general overview of these projects because they're pretty darn cool and they're definitely helping shape the future of the whole Polkadot ecosystem. So guys, a little bit of history here first. So guys, if you don't already know, Polkadot was definitely designed by Gavin Wood. If you don't know who that is, he's the co-founder of Ethereum, and it was designed to pretty much act as a bridge by connecting different blockchains together, pretty much. So if you really think about, you guys, if you think of the game called Connect 4, people from the United States I know are probably definitely familiar with the game Connect 4. Outside of the US, I really don't know. I'm not sure if that existed outside of the United States or not, but it's pretty much where you connect a bunch of dots together, or a bunch of dots together, and they connect to make a single line. So that's pretty much kind of how what Polkadot aims to do. Basically, you guys, Polkadot allows any app developer to establish their own blockchain that can communicate with other ledgers rather than operating through, operating through other smart contracts and stuff like that. Relatively short pieces of code which, are operated on, for example, you guys, the Ethereum blockchain. And guys, it allows developers to quickly and simply create a blockchain simply by using the their substrate framework as well. So that's pretty darn cool as well, you guys. Now guys, as far as Polkadot's native token, their token called DOT is concerned, DOT can definitely be used to stake or validate transactions on the network, or you guys, it can be used to connect new transaction chains as well, in a similar way to Ethereum's Ether token. So guys, let's get into these projects. So basically, I'm going to show you 4 projects, that have been built on Polkadot so far. And again, you guys, I'm not going to go into too far into detail into these. I'm just going to do a simple, broad-based overview on them, okay? Because nobody really wants to sit through a 35-minute video. I've noticed that, so I'm going to try to make this as short and simple as possible. So guys, the first project that I'm going to show you is going to be Kusama, okay? Which is pretty much a scalable network of specialized blockchains created with the substrate framework and the Polkadot codebase. And also, you guys, the network definitely provides an experimental development environment for companies looking to move quickly, where developers can experiment and determine the effectiveness of their code and blockchain applications innovative on, Kusama, or prepare for, Polkadot development or deployment as well. In addition, you guys, developers can profit from a less rigid management structure as well as lower wage requirements on Kusama than they would on Polkadot due to Kusama's usage of trial and error, artificial intelligence. So that's pretty cool, you guys, to be honest with you. I mean, when you really think about it, chains like this really need stuff like that. And lastly, you guys, they also feature something interesting that's called crowd loading, okay? Now, if you're not familiar with crowd loading, it's pretty much a mechanism that's designed to promote decentralization through parachain and distributing tokens to users, pretty much in exchange for their delivered assets, which is pretty much a method similar to Ethereum liquidity mining. So guys, as you guys can see, Kusama is quite the innovative project overall here, built on Polkadot. So this is pretty darn cool, to be honest with you. Overall here, you guys, this is a very, very, very popular project. It's one of Polkadot's most popular projects, so definitely be on the lookout for this one and, look into it a little further if you feel like it. So guys, the next project that I'm going to show you guys that I've got for you here is going to be Akala, okay? So Akala is basically, this one's a little bit kind of harder to explain, but it's basically an all-in-one DeFi hub, and it's also an Ethereum compatible platform that enables financial applications to leverage smart contracts or built-in protocols while also providing out-of-the-box cross-chain capabilities and solid security as well. In addition, you guys, a trustless staking derivative, a multi-collateralized stablecoin backed by cross-chain assets, and an AMM-DEX are among the financial applications available on this platform. As you guys can see here, a decentralized stablecoin of Polkadot, which is what I was just talking about here. So basically, you guys, all of which have micro gas costs as well that can be paid pretty much in any token, which is honestly really super nice. So that's pretty cool to see as well. And lastly here, you guys, Akala has recently integrated tools such as MetaMask, Truffle, and Waffle as well, which, you know, they all allow developers to build the same user experience, you know, as on Ethereum, for example. So that's pretty darn cool also. So again, you guys, Akala is another very top project built on Polkadot. This is another one you guys want to take a look at further into depth, okay? So guys, next up, the next project that I'm going to show you on Polkadot is actually one that a lot of people have already heard about, and a lot of people actually do talk about, especially outside of the United States. This one is called Moonbeam, okay? I've seen people talk about this project in all kinds of different forums and all kinds of different what the heck do you call those things? Discord servers and whatnot. So basically, you guys, Moonbeam, you know, it's a developer-focused blockchain that aims to be compatible with Ethereum's existing development tools and network. And guys, it accomplishes this by offering a complete EVM implementation, a Web3 compatible API, and bridges to existing Ethereum networks as well, which is also very, very nice, you guys. You know, for those of you who aren't very technologically advanced like myself, you can find more information about this stuff if you dig deep in their website as well. And guys, it also should be noted that on the Polkadot network, Moonbeam is also a parachain as well, which is basically implies that it's, you know, it will benefit from the Polkadot relay chain's shared security as well, and it will be able to merge with other Polkadot connected chains also, you guys. So realistically here, you guys, again, Moonbeam is another one you want to check out and look further into depth, because when Polkadot takes off in the long-term future, you guys, all of these other projects that are connected to Polkadot are going to potentially take off as well. So it's always good to look into the popular projects that are dealt with the larger ecosystems out there, like Polkadot, for instance, okay? So guys, now that we've got the third Polkadot project out of the way, the last Polkadot project that I'm going to share with you guys or show you guys is going to be Polka Foundry, okay? Now this one's a little interesting, okay? So Polka Foundry is a framework for creating borderless and seamless DeFi and NFT decentralized applications on Polkadot, okay? Basically, you guys, Polka Foundry aims to be the most convenient platform for developers to construct DeFi and NFT dApps, decentralized applications, as well as a platform for distributing dApps to a larger audience. And also, you guys, Polka Foundry intends to do this by using Polkadot's interoperability and scalability, while also including several DeFi-friendly services into the platform as well. And guys, I'd also like to mention that Polka Foundry also puts a lot of effort into making its dApps' user experience and features very, very simple to use, which honestly helps them gain widespread acceptance as well. And honestly, you guys, you know, UI, UX is a huge thing with a lot of these dApps these days. I mean, honestly, people want something that's very nice to look at and something that's very, very easy to use. So UI, UX plays a very crucial role in a lot of these types of dApps, you guys. Lastly, overall here, you guys, Polka Foundry supports EMV as well, which basically allows dApps to migrate from Ethereum, and and the founding goal of Polka Foundry is to, you know, make blockchains, benefits available to the general public by making its goods and services available to those who, you know, pretty much aren't already involved in the cryptocurrency industry. And overall here, you guys, Polka Foundry basically chose Polkadot as the foundation for their platform, and it's basically building a rapidly expanding ecosystem that's secure, scalable, and interoperable as well, you guys. So overall, they've got everything going on for them, you guys. Now, a lot of you probably have not heard of any of these projects whatsoever, but if you have, more power to you. If you haven't, definitely take a look into them, you guys. Overall here, though, you guys, Polkadot development is, you know, pretty much on track to deliver the most robust platform, for security, scalability, and innovation, as its developers, say on their own website. And, guys, after hours of researching and digging into Polkadot myself, I can confidently agree with all of that, to be honest with you. And also here, you guys, Polkadot and, projects based on it are, truly offering an absolutely amazing, unique experience for users and developers alike, you guys. So guys, it honestly goes without saying that Polkadot, it definitely is an extremely innovative project that continues to grow more and more year after year, as we have definitely all seen already. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel as always, and go ahead and make sure, so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And also, you guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos.